Hello everyone, welcome to AI Brahma YouTube channel. My name is Ganesh. In this document automation video series, let's first learn why exactly Automation Anywhere document automation is needed. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get first notification to you. Let's consider you are working with one of the banking customer. What is exactly the painful process for the bank? Maybe read and understanding of the PDF or any other image documents. Why exactly it is painful? Example, the PDF might be low scanned or it might be a handwritten document or your image is not clearly visible for the humans. This is very hectic for the human to understand and read. After that, go and fill that information into the end applications like Salesforce or any other banking legacy application. But if you are utilizing a automation anywhere document automation, the document automation will read and understand low scan document or somewhat handwritten document and might be any other image format. It will read and it will understand that information using the GenAI technology. Then it will go and fill the information into end application using a task bot. This is what the beauty of document automation. You can use automation anywhere document automation and the task bot and complete the end-to-end process flow in your organizations. In this entire video series, we will learn how we can implement the document automation project. Let's see what we will cover in this entire document automation series. First thing is document handling. What are all the different methods to get a document we will learn in this session. And then we will jump into pre-processing. If the quality of the image is not so good, then how we can pre-process that and get a good quality result from the learning instance, we will see in this particular session. Next, we will jump into document classification. So example, your clients are sharing a bunch of document without having a proper labeling. So example, they are sending a passport, visa, employee authorization with invoice without having any proper label. Then how your bot will understand which particular learning instance it has to pick for extracting the data from the invoice. Everything we will learn in the document classification session. Then we will jump into how to create a learning instance using Automation Anywhere tool. Next, we will go for predefined versus unstructured document type. Based on that, which particular learning instance we have to choose, every technique we will learn in this particular session. Then we will go for a alias based data extraction. Example, some companies still they are not utilizing a GenAI or they are hesitate to utilize a GenAI. In that particular case, without using a GenAI, how we can extract the information from the unstructured document, that we will learn in alias based data extraction. Then we will jump into the AI driven data extraction. Here we will use Anthropic or OpenAI model to extract the information with using good prompting techniques. Then we will go for a data processing and validation. This step is very important for the enterprise process because sometimes data, whatever you will get from the application document, will not be always a proper. Then how we can add a validation on top of that, or how we can process data or manipulate that particular data using a taskbot technique. Everything we will see in the data processing and validation session. Then last but not the least, end-to-end solution implementation using all this proper step-by-step information. And also we will learn advanced process flow using automation anyway, how to create a user forms and how we can create a approval flow for the users and how we can get the input from the email or any other file operations, and the most important, the copilot, how we can implement the Copilot in document automation, and also the most important for all the advanced developer is how to get a certification in this document automation. Everything we will discuss and we will learn in this entire series. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get first notification to you. And I will suggest don't skip anything. Please watch entire series, then you will get end-to-end process flow, how to use a document automation for enterprise process. For a high level understanding, what we will cover in this entire series is first we will go with a pre-processing, then classification, then if required for certain document, how we can implement a human decision using a approval process or copilot. Then we will go for a learning instance extraction. Then again the human in a loop concept to validate whatever extracting from the learning instance if needed, and then we will go for how we can store that particular output, maybe in the CSV file or in the JSON format, how we can toggle between that two concept, everything we will learn. And then how we can store the information into end applications like Salesforce or any other legacy application, how we can pass that information. Everything we will learn in this particular series. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get first notification to you. Happy learning. Go be great.